The OnePlus 11 Idea telephone incorporates PC-like fluid cooling. The experimental project could indicate potential designs for upcoming phones. OnePlus has revealed their latest experimental phone, the OnePlus 11 concept, which is more practical compared to their previous projects. This phone features liquid cooling technology, called active cryoflux, that is similar to the cooling systems used in gaming PCs. The liquid cooling is circulated throughout the phone using a piezoelectric ceramic micropump that sends the cooling fluid through visible pipelines on the outside of the phone, without adding significant bulk to the device. OnePlus claims that this technology results in a slight but noticeable improvement in phone performance, including a temperature drop that enhances game performance by 3 to 4 frames per second and reduces charging times by 30 to 45 seconds. The phone's design is mainly cosmetic, with noticeable changes such as the blue LED lighting and camera hump with engraved guilloche, which resembles that found on luxury watches. Although the OnePlus 11 concept will not be mass-produced, the liquid cooling and design techniques used in this experimental project could potentially be incorporated into future phones, providing users with faster performance without added bulk. This liquid cooling technology may not be as powerful as that found in high-end gaming phones, but it could still make OnePlus phones more appealing to users looking for improved speed. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments below.